So if you already have a website live on Vercel and you want to update it, like changing content, fixing something, or adding new features, don't worry. Yeah, I'll walk you through it step by step in a simple way. First thing first, open your project files on your computer. This could be a simple HTML site, a React app, or any project you previously deployed. Now, make the changes you want, like editing text, updating images, or improving your design. Just update your files as needed. After that, save everything and test your website locally to make sure it works properly before uploading. Once you're done, go ahead and push your changes to GitHub by committing and uploading your updated files to your repository. Now here's the best part. Vercel automatically detects these changes and starts deploying your updated version without you doing anything extra. You can open the Vercel dashboard and watch the deployment progress, which usually takes just a few seconds to a minute. After the build is complete, just refresh your live website and you'll see all your updates instantly applied. And yeah, that's it. Updating your website on Vercel is really that simple. Just edit, push, and let it deploy automatically. So if you already have a website